So here's my Suzuki Raider 150. I've been sorting out a couple issues. First off, I just had no brake light, but then as soon as I got in the wiring harness, I saw some crazy stuff. Somebody swapped in a non-stock, universal voltage regulator, and that fucked with a bunch of after ignition power, and so they just started jumping wires all over. So I don't speak Vietnamese, and I'm in Vietnam, and it's really hard to get parts for a bike. All the people I know that are Vietnamese aren't mechanics, so speaking motorbike parts is like a foreign language, even for someone who's Vietnamese. Anyways, so I'm just rewiring it back as good as I can based on the way they had it, getting it back on the road. It's a pretty cool bike though. Got all the fairings over here. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But yeah, got this voltage regulator in here. This is totally not stock. And then they have this jumper wire going to the power for the brake light, which feeds the headlight power. And I just had to leave that in because there wasn't really a whole bunch of other options besides opening up the entire wiring harness, and I didn't want to spend extra days doing that. I'm trying to wire in a USB charger right now, but that's looking like an issue as well. And this is jump to the tail light. It's kind of a rat's nest, but it works, so we're just going to do it.